down.
Yeah, so when it's gone all the way around that. That's still around.
It's ripped all the tiles off the roof. It came down this way, ripped all the tiles off the roofs.